Of all the 4-letter F words, free is my favorite one. Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. Today, a quick video to go over our 50K giveaway. We did it! All thanks to you. And my thanks, my way of giving back, is to provide a little giveaway contest. We're giving away this brand new Traxxas TRX4 Sport with some very cool upgrades. The first one that you can see, quite obviously, is this custom paint job. This is a TRD themed Traxxas TRX4 Sport body that I've done a paint job on. Lots of nice details, all hand-cut graphics there. Whoever gets it hopefully will enjoy that paint scheme. I think it looks pretty good. Moving down on the truck, this of course is a Traxxas TRX4 Sport kit. That's why you get this nice body with the cage and all the accessories, and this nice front bumper, rear bumper, all those bits and pieces. But I've made some changes, made some upgrades. The most obvious one that you can see here are the wheels and tires. These are SSD Assassins, I do believe. Bronze color, red rings, scale hardware, the works. I think they look pretty awesome. And we've got some nice BF Goodrich Mud Terrain TA KM3s as the tire combo on there. I think they really complement the body nicely and kind of goes with the TRD theme, because bronze is one of the colors that Toyota uses for the TRD schemes. So kind of all goes nicely together. To complement this good looking body, full Traxxas light kit is included. So you'll get headlights, marker lights, tail lights, and 2 light bars included. Everything lights up, everything's been tested, it all works perfectly fine. To power this truck, I am running a Hobbywing FOC all-in-one system. This is the Fusion. It's 1800 kV and will get this truck up to a reasonable speed. Another cosmetic upgrade, ARB diff covers from RC 4-wheel drive. Really actually kind of add a nice little touch to the TRX4 Sport, and I think they look pretty cool under there. So another nice little addition that I've added as well. Finally, to steer the truck, I've added a Spectrum S6250 high voltage, high torque digital servo. That will give you more than enough get up and go. On the chassis, I've added 2 sets of inner fenders, the plastic inner fenders and the rubber piece. So if you choose to run a different body that might be a little bit wider, you're gonna have the full width of those inner fenders to match that new body, whatever you choose to run, if you choose to not run this body. I don't know why you wouldn't though, it looks pretty great to me. On the underside, I've added a Bauhaus V2 low profile skid. This is going to help in the performance end of things. Very nice printed piece in very high performance plastic. So you're gonna find that's gonna work out really, really well. Just one final little nice touch to make this a custom truck that someone will be very excited and proud to drive. So now that I've shown you a bit about the truck, you probably want to know how to win it. Well, it's super easy. There is a link down below in the description where you will find all of the rules and regulations and ways to enter. There is more than one way to enter, so I hope that you take advantage of that and get as many entries as possible. I think this is going to be a very popular giveaway. And I should note that this will not cost you anything. Provided you have your own transmitter and receiver already, the truck will be fully ready to go. There will be no shipping costs. This is going to be absolutely 100% free to the winner. I cannot, of course, be responsible for any duties or import charges or any other of that kind of stuff. So that will be on your responsibility, but the shipping of it covered by me, as well as all the parts on this truck, all covered by me. So there you go. That's a pretty simple explanation of a pretty amazing giveaway. A nice looking truck with some very nice upgrades. Now, one prize is, in this case, probably enough. But if you go to that website where we're hosting the giveaway, you will note there is a second place prize. I'm going to leave that a surprise. I want you to go check that out, and I hope that you will enter. There are lots of different ways to get additional entries on that giveaway, so I invite you to go check it out. And thank you to everyone who's watched everyone who's liked, everyone who's subscribed to the channel. You've all made a very big difference, and it's very humbling to get to 50,000 subscribers. It means an awful lot to me, and I cannot thank you enough. So thank you very much. I hope that this small token is enough to show my appreciation. So I think that's going to do it. A really super quick video. I just wanted to go over some of the details of the giveaway truck and show you what you could possibly win. This is going to run for 1 month starting today. So there'll be 30 days for you to enter. There's a lot of different ways for you to get entries, and it's going to go to a very deserving home, I'm sure. So that's going to do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because you know what? Let's get to 100K, why not? And of course, ring that notification bell so you get updates the next time we do a big giveaway like this. In fact, once we've found out who's won the truck, why don't we do a live giveaway kind of extravaganza? And we'll kind of go through that and the other secondary prizes as well. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. See you again soon.